Early on in the pandemic, many people turned to cloth masks when there was a shortage of those higher quality medical masks available.
With the Omicron variant spreading even among the vaccinated, health experts are urging people to use a more protective mask like the N95 or the KN95. News 19's Archie Snowden spoke to health experts who say it's time to rethink before putting on a cloth mask.
Okay, thank you. Studies are coming out now that the beloved cloth mask that some people have been wearing since the pandemic began, it looks very nice with a nice array of colors, but it has not been very effective.
We think masks are very effective, and with the Omicron variant, wearing a high-quality mask is extremely important.
As Omicron takes the lead as the dominant COVID variant, health experts are advocating for people to pay more attention to the type of protection they are wearing and tells us to ditch the cloth.
We want to make sure it's not a cloth mask. A cloth mask does not offer protection that you need.
A recent study by researchers at the Mayo Clinic as well as India found that in villages where cloth masks were worn, infections were only reduced by 5%. That's one of the reasons why the Mayo Clinic is now asking everyone to wear a surgical or N95 mask. Emerging evidence also showed that the surgical or medical grade mask does a better job of preventing respiratory droplets from carrying the virus to others.
I personally think it's a minor inconvenience to put on a mask, and I don't mind wearing it at any time, and if I'm going to wear one, I want to wear a good one.
However, if your only source of protection is a cloth mask, health experts say there are ways to improve its protection.
We want to make sure that it's at least 2 or 3 layers, but I would recommend getting a surgical mask that actually has the filters built in the material.
Reporting in Madison County, Archie Snowden, News 19.
Health experts say if you're still unsure of what mask works best for you, you can go to the CDC website, and there you can find a complete listing of mask guidelines.